9 based essential oils for thyroid health. The use of essential oils for thyroid has been an effective strategy for thousands of years. The thyroid gland is one of the most important structures in the body as it is responsible for regulating the production of thyroid hormones, more specifically triiodothyronine and thyroxine. These particular hormones affect hundreds of different metabolic processes in the body, including protein synthesis, vitamin absorption, tissue development, differentiation of cell growth, and countless other vital functions in the body. The production or release of these hormones is largely controlled by another hormone called the thyroid stimulating hormone, which is produced in the pituitary gland of the brain. Unfortunately, maintaining a perfect thyroid balance is difficult, and a number of health conditions can cause thyroid production to be too low or too high. Hyperthyroidism is the condition where too much thyroid hormone is produced, causing swelling of the gland, anxiety, nervousness, sweating, muscle weakness, unexplained weight loss, irregular heartbeat, changes in menstrual pattern, and difficulty sleeping. This can be caused by a range of other conditions such as toxic adenomas, Graves' disease, cancer of the thyroid gland, or problems with the pituitary gland in the brain. On the other hand, hypothyroidism means too little of the hormones are being produced, leading to weight gain, mood swings, lethargy, constipation, hair loss, memory loss, and elevated cholesterol. There can also be underlying conditions for this lack of thyroid, including toxic levels of iodine, exposure to lithium, or certain autoimmune disorders. Balancing one's thyroid levels is critically important, and while there are certain formal medications or procedures to counter hyper, using essential oils for thyroid health is becoming increasingly popular. List of essential oils for thyroid. When it comes to effective essential oils for thyroid health, your best options include frankincense, lemongrass, myrtle, rosemary, geranium, jasmine, lang lang clarices, and cedar wood oils. Rosemary oil. Whether you are suffering from joint pain, hair loss, unexplained weight gain, or fatigue, rosemary oil can effectively eliminate inflammation, stimulate normal growth, and boost energy levels when you need it most. How to use? You can rub small amounts in your hair to stimulate hair growth, but adding it to other oil blends for the skin can also help. A drop of rosemary oil can even be applied topically to the back of the neck and temples for extra relief. Myrtle oil. One of the best things about myrtle oil is that it can regulate and balance numerous processes in the body. As an adaptogenic substance, rather than fixing a problem in one way or another, it adjusts the body's response and helps promote normal function, making it good for both hypo and hyperthyroid conditions. A young woman suffering from hypothyroidism holding her throat that is pain. Hypothyroidism occurs when your body doesn't produce enough thyroid hormones. How to use? You can rub a few drops of this oil between your hands and then apply to your neck and chest, or add 5 drops of the oil to your evening bath for a relaxing and stimulating soak. Geranium oil. The antimicrobial properties of this oil, in addition to its anti inflammatory capacity, make it an ideal solution for those with a deficiency in thyroid hormone, as it can reduce inflammation in the gut, blood vessels, and neural pathways, helping to defend against many of the symptoms of hypothyroidism. How to use? You can mix a few drops of this with any of your cosmetic products for quick absorption into the skin, or you can apply a diluted form of the oil directly on any areas that are painful or inflamed as a result of this condition. Frankincense oil. A deficiency in thyroid hormone can cause everything from skin irritation to stomach upset. This makes frankincense oil one of the best essential oils for thyroid health, given that it can soothe inflammation throughout the body while also stimulating the digestive process, eliminating symptoms of constipation and even boosting brain function. How to use? You can topically apply this oil after diluting it with another carrier oil on any topical inflammation, but you can also consume 1-2 drops of food grade frankincense oil for rapid effects in your gut. Cedar oil wood. Although hyperthyroidism is rare than an underactive thyroid. If you do suffer from this condition, cedarwood oil can lower your body's high level of sweating while also giving the immune system a boost and functioning as a sedative, which will allow you to sleep normally. How to use? Blend 4-5 drops of this oil with a carrier oil such as almond oil and then gently apply it to the neck and chest. You can also place a drop on your pillow or on your temples to increase relaxation and induce good sleep. Lemon balm oil. Rich in antioxidants and anti inflammatory compounds, lemon balm oil is a favorite for many people who suffer from digestive upset, anxiety, and weakness. It can also help to stimulate appetite, which is important for those suffering from unexplained weight loss. How to use? Many people choose to blend 3-4 drops of this oil in their diffuser for all day relief, although excellent effects can also be seen by simply inhaling directly from the bottle. Lang Lang oil. Irregular heartbeats are common in people with hyperthyroidism in addition to anxiety, stress, sleeplessness, and general irritability. Lang Lang oil can quickly soothe those symptoms and induce a sense of calm while also interacting with the cardiovascular system and ensuring proper heart function. How to use? Rub 3-4 drops of this oil on your wrist and neck for topical relief and a soothing aroma, or simply add some of this oil to your room or home diffuser for all day treatment. Jasmine oil. The emotional toll that hyperthyroidism can take is incredible, including worn down nerves and exhaustion despite the seemingly high levels of energy. Jasmine can not only help your body and mind relax, but it will also prevent any periods of depression from sneaking up, which often happens when people are suffering from thyroid issues. How to use? Many people enjoy using jasmine essential oil in their room diffusers, particularly while they are sleeping or before bed. However, you can also add a few drops to your pillow to eliminate stress. Clarice's oil. If you are experiencing the overacting mind of the hyperthyroid patient, you probably find it difficult to fall asleep or lower your anxiety levels. Clarice's oil can rapidly do both of these things, making it a popular choice for those with an overacting thyroid gland. How to use? You can either diffuse this oil at the beginning or end of a long day or simply inhale directly from the bottle. Adding 2-3 drops to a pot of boiling water and breathing in deeply can rapidly calm your nerves.